Going on? How y'all doing, YouTube? I'm back with another unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing my Stylecraft. My Stylecraft. See all of this. Look at all of this. Ooh, the SABER. Here it is. All right, I'm digging this. I like the box. All right, Stylecraft Pro brushless SABER motor. All right, has some. I've heard a lot about these. I have again about 15 different pair of edges, but I'm into this stuff. I'm into my craft, so I'm into these, and I noticed a lot of people giving these clippers a lot of praise. So as you can see here. Here are some of the perks to having them. Some of the different deals that you have. Nice box. Oh, whoa, okay. Here it is, right here. Brushless motor. Whoa, okay. Look at that. So we'll see. Comes in the plastic. It has the blade protector on it. Box was kind of damaged on the inside. It's kind of damaged with shipping, I'm assuming. Here's the little box. Looks like it stands here. All right. Oh, okay. And in here come the tools. Nothing but the screwdriver and the charger, a little brush, and some oil. And looks like some USB deal. Okay. I like to charge mine. Let's see. Take the blade protector off. I don't know if they're as zero gapped as I would like. You can kind of see right there. So yeah, I don't know. They look like they've already been oiled. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge them and see what they do. Now I'm using my Ray-Ban recording glasses. All right, they can record videos, take pictures, whatever. So that's what I'm doing now. I just plugged them up and I just charged them. Okay, so I'm going to, this is kind of what I was talking about. I don't know if they are zero gapped. All right, but I'm gonna see. Wow. Yeah, they're not too heavy-handed. Okay, I mean they're not heavy. Seem reasonable. Okay, I have some of my other edges that are heavier than this. They feel like some wall detailers. That's what they feel like, some wall detailers. Or maybe the Andy T outliners. They feel good. I've heard a lot about these. So again, I'm looking at that. Just finished watching the Astros win. I'm looking at it. Yeah, they don't look. I don't know. I might touch up with them and then try to zero gap them. But I'm gonna use them out the box and see. Oh, wow. Whoa, I didn't expect that. Okay. That's usually how I test some of my my blades. So they have a charging dock, so I'll put them on there. Here's the charging dock. You can see where they're charging. Digital brushless. So this is, I like this. The stand, it seems very firm. It's not wobbling. Well, it is a little bit, but when you put it in, it's a good fit. So I like that. So yeah, I'll mess with them a little bit. I'll put a haircut video with it and see if I'm going to zero gap these, because you can see right here where it doesn't look like it's perfect, but maybe it is. You know, sometimes when you get it too close to the edge up here, it's too sharp. So I'm gonna check it out and see what it is. I've heard some great things about it. Some people say they use them out the box, and some people say they. So I'll see. So I like the StyleCraft blade, the X Pro. So we'll see. But they really feel good. They feel good. Again, I think they feel like some wall detailers. And I'll probably compare the two and just see. Okay, just see what they. But like the charge, you can take the charge out. You can plug it in here, and it still charges. So you can use it as a corded clipper as well. So I like it. I can't complain. I've heard great things about them, so I'm quite sure I'm not gonna be disappointed. These were the top of a lot of barbers' lists, so I'm excited to use them. Very much so. So we'll see. Now here are just a few. This is just a few of my edges that I have, and I have probably like 7 more different type. Well, most of them are babblers, to be honest, but I'm trying to see. Okay, the wall detailer. I don't have the deal. They seem like they weigh about the same. It seems slightly heavier. Okay, you can see. Let's hear. You can. It seems like there's more power here. Pretty much the same. Same here too. Yeah, these are. Yeah, that's what they mimic. They mimic the Babyless Low Pro. That's exactly what they feel like. They kind of. They look identical. Not identical, but they seem like they do the same thing. I don't use these as much because I don't like this DLC blade, but they kind of feel the same. Yeah, the power seems the same. It seems like they kind of, you know, StyleCraft mimicked the Low Pros to kind of get it and just put a better blade. That's just what it seems like. And here, there's no comparison. These are definitely seem more powerful. But you know, the Andes T, I like them. I use them. Now, some of my go-to is, I like both of my my Babyless. So I took the DLC blade off this and put the Gold FX blade on it, and it's the fine tooth blade, so they do okay. But this blade here, this Graphite 2.0, this is my go-to right here. So if this blade, this StyleCraft X Pro blade these are my go-tos, just honestly. So that's what I'm kind of banking on. I'm banking on this blade. I've heard great things about it, and I'll do a video comparing all my edges and see where this lies. So I'm excited to use them, and I'll see if I'll zero gap them. And I'll try to show you in the videos before zero gap, and if they do a great job before, I'm not gonna zero gap them. Use the rest of them to bald out on certain clippers and whatnot. So yeah, so I like them. I like the way it's like a matte finish. It seems like real smooth. Okay, real smooth. I think the best out of all of these, the best one that edges that feel the best in your hand are probably these, and it's probably because of this rubber grip. This feels the best, but the performance, maybe, I don't know. It's, you know, I use these more than anything. And these were my favorite, but I don't know what happened with the blade. They were kind of too sharp. I don't know. But this graphite blade, that's what's up. So I'll show you before and after, and we'll go from there. Y'all better get these glasses. This one.
It's almost like this is that famous guy. The two leaders with focus and lettuce, respect the body, each a salad. Respect the body.
You got speakers for my truck. Well, one of them did. All right, with the Stylecraft Saber, awesome. They're good. Everything about all the reviews that I've read, and you know, some of the unboxings, they're it. They're not heavy. I did have to zero gap them. I zero gapped them. Client said that they felt real smooth. They didn't bite. I use them on myself. They are definitely worth a try. Of course, you have your regular Babylon skeleton trimmers that you probably go to. These are, I didn't have to switch, and I can use these on kids. I can use it on the face. They're all around, and they're good. They balled out pretty good, but the edging was perfect. Like, I don't have any complaints at all. So they were definitely worth the $180. I think I paid for them. Feel good. They charge fast on the charging dock. They're not loud. I don't have any complaints at all. So for when people label them as being their top trimmer, can't really go against it. I mean, you gotta try them. They are definitely a must buy. These are definitely a must buy. So yeah, just go for it. I'll say go for it. Stylecraft, I don't have any of their, well, I do have one pair of their clippers, but they're definitely gonna give people a run for their money. So I would definitely consider these a plus. Go for it, try them out, and I promise you, you will not be satisfied. You have to zero gap them. Out the box, they didn't give me anything out the box. I zero gapped them. They come with a little device that you can zero gap them. So go ahead and try it out. So that's my review on it. I think it's definitely a plus. And you have any questions or concerns, hit me up and I'll let you know. All right, peace.